So, you are in a certain place at a certain time, and an opportunity opens up that fits exactly with your chief aim. Some people might say it's a coincidence. Some people might say it's an accident. We know it's God's leading and direction. That you have got to that place and you are right in that circumstances whereby everything falls into place. Because you've been vibrating, you've been using the law of attraction by not focusing on what you don't want. And there's a lot of key principles in that little bit of information about not focusing on what you don't want, but on what you do want, putting it in the proper positive framework to get what you are seeking, not as a manipulation tool, but because it's part of the bigger picture. If your chief aim, and I forgot to bring one of those little cards, on the back of your card falls in line with the will of God, that's where you need to be. You're focused in on the front part of the card, asking, you'll receive, seeking, you'll find, knock, and the door will be opened unto you. You're building on faith. You are putting into the principle, the positive faith vibrations as you understand, as you begin to learn who God is and what He can do for you in your life to bring about your chief aim. And it's not about self, but it's about the glory of God. It's not manipulation. It's moving you to where God wants you to be. Because we ought to be saying to God, to God, what do you want my chief aim to be? What am I? What have you created me for? What have you gifted me for? How? Because He's not going to gift you for this and call you to something totally opposite. You're going to bring your gifts and talents and everything is going to come together to mesh towards that chief aim and goal and plan that He has for your life. And so we just need to somehow begin to understand that this is not off the wall, ooey stuff. This is biblically founded.